Hi everyone, this is Professor Benjamin and I want to welcome you to Technology and Criminal Justice. The purpose of this video is just to kind of give you an idea of what we will cover in this class. There is a video right below this on the home page that will give you an overview of the requirements of the course. But this video is just kind of to explain to you some of the topics that we'll cover and some of the issues that we will address within this course. But I do want to welcome you to the course, and I hope that you enjoy your experience within this course. You may feel overwhelmed at points, and if that's the case, make sure you reach out sooner than later. We're always willing to help you as much as possible to get through this. If you're a new computer user, make sure that you stay in contact with us throughout the semester so that we're able to walk you through or help you. Within the course, there are video lectures that help walk you through every single assignment, and so hopefully those videos will be able to help you. But a lot of that information is addressed in the video below this video within on the home page of the course. So, what are we going to learn in this? Oops, let's go back. Oops, let me go back. Sorry. So what will we cover in this class? So in this class, we'll use like a variety of databases, software, and applications to analyze criminal data. Remember, the main objective of you taking this course is for you to take a computer class or a technology class that is related to your major. So a lot of the content that we're going to use is related to criminal justice, but you will be learning hands-on, you'll be learning about criminal justice through hands-on technology use. So examples of some of the software applications and databases that we'll use. So we're going to use Word or Google Docs. We're going to use Excel or Google Sheets, PowerPoint, and Google Slides or Google Slides. We're going to use this really great software called SmartDraw that we're going to be able to create crime scenes with. We're going to look into docket websites and be able to look up the criminal records of individuals at both the federal and the PA state level. We're going to use geocoding software. We're going to map data. We're going to create pie charts. I mean, we're going to do so many great things. And the way that we're going to learn how to use these software applications is through analyzing databases that we have available to us. So all sorts of databases that hold data within them about the criminal justice system. So in this ever-changing world where opinions are taken as facts, it is important to analyze and interpret data in order to dispute personal opinions. So the whole idea of this class is for us to actually look at real, raw data, analyze that data, and be able to make informed kind of not opinions, but factual basis for being able to prove certain things. So we will actually look at police brutality. We'll look at sex offender databases. We'll look at individuals within a jail data set, how long they've been held for jail, what were they held for. We'll look at age ranges of individuals. So we are going to look at all different data, and from that data we'll extract percentages, and we'll also extract raw numbers, and then we'll be able to say, well, here it is. Here's the data, and then we'll compare it against census data, and we'll be able to actually make informed decisions and interpret that data to be able to have really meaningful conversations with individuals. And we'll take that personal opinion out of it, and we'll actually have factual basis for why we are stating what we are stating. And in today's world, we need that. Because of social media, individuals can spout their opinions without factual basis to back that up. But this class will be able to teach you how to derive factual basis from databases. So in this class, we'll learn about technologies that are currently being used that could potentially violate your Fourth Amendment rights. So we'll definitely be looking into that. We'll look into all sorts of newer technologies and whether they're ethical or not, and whether they do violate that Fourth Amendment right or not. We will analyze criminal justice databases to find percentages and numbers affected. We'll learn how to produce detailed police reports that are concise and factually sound. We will also use software that will enable us to create crime scene maps. And remember, crime scene maps are great because it takes the data with the addresses and then it overlays it on a map, and we can actually use that to see where there are specific hotspots of crime, or maybe where there are police brutality that happens in specific neighborhoods. Why does that happen? So we'll be able to look at all of this data and be able to kind of leave this class with a really great new skill set that we can take with us for the rest of our lives. And that's why we really enjoy teaching this class, and we look forward to starting this journey with you. Again, if you ever have questions, or feel the need to reach out, make sure you do that sooner than later. We're always accessible, and so make sure that you reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you. But we hope you enjoy this course, and we hope we set up a really great course for you that is able to walk you through and make you excited about the criminal justice field and how technology can be used to actually better our society.